coach came up with about 4 good and 4 bad like signs that you can use to, you know, to see within yourself or the situation on whether you are trying to like either control or are you actually allowing, you know, the situation to be what it is, right? So, you know, 4 bad seeds, as he calls it, are like, is to convince, right? When you're convincing other people on your thought or what you believe in, and when you convict, which is like making them feel bad for not agreeing with you or seeing it from your point of view. And course is when you actually manipulate them to like see from your point of view or see it from your side of the story. And or control, when you try to control how they feel, how they think, how they do things, right? Control is a big one for me. One of the 4 good signs that you can like see in yourself is to be clear on who you want to be, right? Be concise in your body language and the way you communicate things. Control, but self-control. You're controlling yourself, you're controlling your emotions, you're controlling your behavior, your actions, your reactions, you know, and how your behavior, right? And then the last thing was compromising, like being open to listening to other people's thoughts, feelings, and their side of the story.